Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Top 5 Effective Wierd Cleaning Products. Number 1. Soap nuts. Apart from adding soap nuts in your washing machine to wash your clothes, you can also use them to create an all-purpose cleaner, powdered laundry detergent, homemade soap nuts shampoo, and a soap nuts dishwasher. Number 2. Carbonated water. Indeed, drinking carbonated water will make you feel refreshed. But it can also be an inexpensive and extremely useful natural cleaning agent. Pour a small amount of carbonated water on sticky spots on your floors. It can also help eliminate upholstery, carpet, and laundry stains. You can shine bathroom and kitchen fixtures using carbonated water as well as degrease cooking and baking pans. Number 3. Club soda. Pour club soda on countertops, sinks, and stainless steel ovens. Wipe it afterwards using a soft cloth and rinse the surface using warm water. It is also a good cleaner for porcelain fixtures and the inside of your refrigerator. It can get rid of greasy stains from your car's windshield and give your precious gems a bright sheen. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 4. Borax and Vinegar. Mix 1 cup of borax with 1/4 cup distilled vinegar in a small bowl to create a paste. Use the cleaning solution to scrub your toilets. This solution can also be used to clean mirrors, countertops, chrome fixtures, and bathroom surfaces. If you mix borax, vinegar, and salt, you will get a paste that can remove stubborn carpet stains. Just be sure to let the paste sit on the stained area for a few hours for better results. Number 5. Vinegar and Water. Mix vinegar and water in a bowl to create a solution that you can use to clean the surface of your microwave. It can also be used as an air freshener. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a more unique scent. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 5 amazing natural cleaning hacks for your kitchen. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.